And former President Donald Trump could be back in Atlanta 1 week from today. His arraignment is the next step in Fulton County's election interference case. Mr. Trump and 18 defendants are scheduled for hearings next Wednesday at the Fulton County Courthouse. They are all accused of taking part in a criminal conspiracy to overturn the 2020 election. 11 Alive's Jerry Carnes is breaking down what happens next.
19 defendants, all accused of being part of a criminal conspiracy, a list of names topped by former President Donald Trump. Some of those defendants are eager for trial, others not so much. The next step is arraignment, where each defendant will hear the charges read aloud. It's their opportunity to enter a plea.
People rarely ever plead guilty at felony arraignments, and I wouldn't expect that to happen at all in this case.
Former DeKalb County District Attorney Robert James says arraignment hearings trigger the discovery process. Defense attorneys will get to see the evidence that Fulton County District Attorney Fonnie Willis has collected in this case during her 2.5-year investigation.
You can't really file a motion to suppress. You can't really file a motion to attack the evidence until you actually get the evidence.
In court filings, Willis has indicated that her office will hand over the first batch of evidence around September 15th and has asked attorneys in the case for a USB drive that is at least 2 terabytes large, or roughly large enough to hold 200,000 photos and 500,000 documents. Lawyers for Donald Trump and the other defendants will study every detail as they prepare their strategy.
He is the main figure in this, and he does not want to be forced into trial before his defense team is ready. His lawyers don't want to try this case before they do a thorough and sifting investigation of the state's evidence.
2 defendants, including former Trump attorney Sidney Powell, have asked for a speedy trial, prompting the district attorney to ask for an October 23rd trial date for all 19 defendants. Donald Trump's attorneys have filed a motion asking Judge Scott McAfee to separate his case from any co-defendant asking for a speedy trial. It's a legal back and forth that's bound to continue for weeks and months as this massive criminal case proceeds.
All right, so the judge has allotted 15 minutes for each defendant. Mr. Trump is scheduled to appear first at 9:30. We are waiting to hear if he plans to show or waive his arraignment.